Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up selling ebooks on Ecwid. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you can very easily set up a digital file download or a digital file sale product. And what you need to do is you need to go into catalog, go into products, and from here you need to add a new product. Once you're adding that, you can add videos or images to your product gallery. Name it ebook, for example. You can add a SKU, weight, and kg. You just want to, uncheck. This requires shipping or pickup because it's a digital ebook. So digital ebook as the description, set up the pricing, for example, 20 euros. And now that that's done, you can preview your product, manage stock control, etc. Or you can go into attributes, set up all the attributes, go into options, and add whatever options you might want. You can also upload your file here under files. However, you need to upgrade to sell those digital goods, so you can't do it on a free plan. You can also enable shipping or pickup. However, you won't need it since it is a digital product. You can set up taxes, SEO for your product, related products, and buy now. And once you're done setting up your product, all you need to do is save the product here on save or Control S. And once that's done, go into your products, go down, and the ebook should be somewhere here. As you can see, it's right over here. And now your customers will be able to buy your ebook from your website storefront. And that is pretty much it. Now I do have a limited amount of products since I'm on a free plan, so I do recommend subscribing to a premium plan on Ecwid, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.